Good morning, students. In previous class we have completed up to here. Now I will explain this mixed bag third bit. Okay, look here. Third bit, applying addition and subtraction. Mr. Grover bought a car. He paid 18,670 from his savings. He took a loan of 55,450 from a bank to pay the rest of the money. What was the cost of the car? First, amount paid by who paid? Mr. Grover from his savings. 18,670. Next, amount he took as a loan from a bank. He took 55,450. Now, what was the cost of car? Cost of the car means you have to add these two. 18,670 plus 55,450. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 2 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 here, 1 taken as carry. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Therefore 74,120 rupees. Okay, cost of the car is 74,120 rupees. This is A answer. Now look at B question. Anand bought a television set and a music system for 86,499. The cost of the television set was 45,789. What was the cost of the music system? Look here, children. B. Anand bought a television set and a music system. Amount paid by Anand for television set and music system. How much he paid? Yes, 86,499. Next, cost of television set. Cost of television set. How much, man? What is the cost of television set? 45,789. Now subtract this 45,789 from 86,499. Then we will get cost of music system. Look, cost of music system equal to 86,499 minus 45,789. We'll do here 86,499 minus 45,789. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. From 4 we cannot subtract 7, so we'll take borrow. It will be 14. Here it will be 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore 40,710 rupees. Okay, this is B answer. Okay, B answer. Now look at C question. For a wedding, the decoration was done only with yellow and golden marigold flowers. 32,456 yellow and 57,544 golden marigolds were used. how many flowers were used in all? We have to find total number of flowers. See answer. Number of yellow marigolds were used. How many? 32,456. Next, number of golden marigolds were used. How many? 57,544. Now add these two. 32,456, 57,544. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 taken, carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Therefore, total number of flowers were used. How many? 90,000. Okay, this is C answer. Now look at D question. The Kalra family went on a tour of Kerala. 88,556 on traveling and 7,500 on food and 6,780 on their stay. How much money did they spend in all? In all given means we have to add these three. Okay. D solution. First, money spent on traveling. How much they spent? 8,556. Next, money spent on food. 7,500. Next, money. You can write money or you can write amount also. Okay. Money spent on their stay. 6,780. Okay. Now total amount. Add here. I will add here only. You can add outside of the line also. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here. 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Therefore, they spend 22,836 rupees in all. Okay, this is D answer. Now look at E question. Okay, E question. The population of a town A is 34,325. The population of town B is 34,750. Which town has a larger population? How much more? Okay. Population of town A. How much is there? 34,325. Now population of town B. Population of town B. 34,750. In these two, which one is having more population? Yes, B. 34,750 is greater than 34,325. So we'll write first 34,750 minus 34,325. From 0 we can subtract 5. No. So we'll take borrow. It will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 5 will become 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Therefore, how much more is there? Means town B has 425 population more than town A. Up to E answer complete in your Phanos. In the next class I will teach this. Okay. Thank you.